Is this the heart of this job in the world? What I'm doing with here? I'm going to knock out air bricks down there. Can you see? This here, so render stuff, insulation in.
Think I'll get through it, you know.
Right, I've got that air brick in it now, you can see very good there. This is the back. I'm going to piece that up and then go around and point the inside, outside I should say. Just an awkward job. Put them in now. Not the tidiest, but very awkward. I'll try and show you outside in a minute. I get the outside pointers up. That's what we're trying to achieve out here. It's not the best because it's like on flag out. And that's why I've been told to put them off the insurance company. I'm going to wash them down, them air bricks in a minute. With a bit of water, just so there's no water on them, but awkward. Got some more here. Now you can see there. And there, I'm on there to get in. Right, we're finished there now. What a crap job that's been. Very awkward. Got a few holes out there so that the airflow on the new joist is fine. You can see it's all done. Got my arm here again, all this knowing. Been a bad day at the office. But there you go, all done.